Hello cat people, welcome to the Cat Lady calendar day 10. Today we are doing a body paint. For the whole December I decided to do only winter/Christmas themed makeup because I really love winter and especially Christmas, this season of the year. Oh my god, it's just my favorite and it makes me so happy and I really want to celebrate that. Today I was about, do I want to do a good snowman or an evil snowman? So I decided to go for the good one just because I feel like that today. No issue with the evil version of the snowmans, but probably next year, not now. So if you're interested to see this happening, just keep watching. The braid is done, so I'm ready to start drawing. I will do all the rough lines and the design with just this pencil. This is a very old pencil that I have and it's really bad quality, so I want to finish it somehow. That's why I decided to just use it for body paint and nothing more than that. I have already the replacement. And yeah, I'm starting by doing the buttons and then I will do the scarf and then I will add the color. I just finished with the sketching and next step is to fill everything with white. I'm gonna use this here from Eulenspiegel. This is called Vice and it's an aqua color. So I need some water to activate it. I have this bottle right here. It's from a serum from Ordinary. Of course I have washed it and now it contains water and it's really convenient that it has this thing right here which I don't know the English name. But anyway, so I'm gonna add some drops and this is ready to be used. The next step is to apply white baby powder on all the weight parts of my body to make sure that it is properly setted. Next step is to start with a scarf and I'm gonna use a combination of red and green to make it kinda Christmassy. For this I'm gonna use this palette right here. This is from Mecron, Paradise Makeup Aqua Color 8 color palette. And from this palette, I'm gonna use this red, which is called just red, and then the green right here, which is called dark green. I finished with the scarf. I feel that I don't need to set it with eyeshadows because the colors were very opaque, so now I will go to the buttons and I'm gonna make them black. For black, I'm gonna use again from the same palette the shade black here and I'm gonna activate it with water as always. Now I'm taking my palette from James Charles and Morphe and I will take the black shadow, if I can open the palette. Oh my god, why is it so difficult? Yep, here we are. So this is called Spooky, the black right here, and with the black I'm gonna go on the already black lines to make them a little bit thicker and blacker without actually touching the other colors. So let's do it! Before I start adding the shadows, I will finish the white part here on my neck, and then I will go to the shadows. After I finished with all my shadows, I'm gonna take this epic inkware. This is from Nyx Professional Makeup, and I will try to do some details to make these black things look more like buttons. With the epic ink eyeliner from Nyx Professional Makeup, I'm gonna give to my scarf some tiny tassels. So let's do it. And now I'm going to the face. The idea is to create some tiny curls around the mouth area, and I'm not going for a carrot nose, but basically I'm gonna draw a shape, an orange shape, and then I will fill it with glitter. To be honest, I was avoiding this step because from now on I have to put away my glasses because I'm about to do my face all white and I will be blind, and I don't really like it, but it's fine. So again, I'm taking the white body paint from Eulenspiegel and I'm gonna paint my face white basically. Now I'm gonna do my eyes, and as always I will prime with my primer potion from Decay, and then I will use black and blue eyeshadows mainly to create some depth. The black is gonna be from this palette, Age of Opulence from Beauty Bay, and this palette has very nice blues as well, so I'm gonna use the Noir here, and then the Surfew, this one, if I'm saying it correctly, and then I will end with Lavish, and maybe if I need something even lighter I will go to James Charles and I will take the blue eyeshadow from here. Let's go! Finished with the eyes. Also, I have used from Evelina Forsell palette this shade Fave right here because I want to fade out the black blue colors and make them a little bit more frosty. And now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and for this I'm gonna use from NYX Professional Makeup the liquid suede in the shade Jet Set. And instead of using, you know, my ordinary brown eye pencil or whatever I'm using every time, I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna give myself blue eyebrows. Now it's time for the nose, and for the nose I'm gonna use again from Mehron the orange shade here. The name is literally orange, so I don't have a lot to say. As usual, I'm gonna make the body paint wet, and with my brush I will just draw inside there. From Makeup Academy I'm gonna take the eye pencil Snow Queen and I will go in my waterline to make sure that I will have the brightest result here. And now I will go with my black again from the same palette, and I will fill the charcoals that I have drew around my mouth. I decided to give to my snowman some white eyelashes, so I'm gonna use from Essence the Volume Booster Lash Primer, which is basically a white mascara. I'm gonna contour my face with a very nice baby blue, and for this I'm gonna use this color right here, which is called Cloud Free, and it's from the Pastels from Beauty Bay, in order to give a more frosty result. And I will see if it is too light, then I will go with another blue, maybe the blue from James Charles, but I want to try with this first. I will continue with the blush. I'm taking a tiny brush and very fluffy because I want to be very careful and add just a little tiny bit. For blush I'm gonna use again the pastels palette, and I will go with Euphoria, this pink right here, which is a quite cool toned pink. That's what I want because I want to be very intense and very warm. Like you see, the whole contouring is basically a frosty thing. So yeah, let's do it. Now I will add some shades and lights to my charcoals. Now I will add some black and light blue shade around these lines right here to make sure that all my shades will be very obvious and vibrant. Oh, I forgot to record sound at the previous clip. Sorry. Anyway, what I did is that I added just a tiny little bit of the cloud-free eyeshadow around here at my body. Not anything too much, not anything very obvious, just slightly blue in order to connect my face structure with my body structure. That's what I did pretty much. And now I'm going to put some glitter on my nose. And for this, I'm gonna use the glue that I always use these days. This is from Paint Glow. I don't remember the name, but that's the glue. Pro Fix Body Glue. Glitter me up. I'm gonna put an amount on my hand. I think that this amount will be more than enough. If you look here. Yes, I'm taking a clean brush, like that one. And I'm applying this amount on my nose to create the surface for the glitter. So this is from Gypsy Shrine, Nowadays Shrine. It's glitched, yeah, but these days it's discontinued, and I think that Gypsy Shrine in general changed their direction and they are not focusing on makeup that much. I'm gonna use this glitter right here, the orange. And instead, I think that they are focusing on hair dyes. To be honest, I haven't tried any of their dyes, but I'm planning to do so. So if you want me to do, don't forget to leave a comment down. And then tell me which shade do you want me to try. Have I told you how happy glitter makes me? Maybe a million times, but yeah, that's the case. Glitter makes me so happy, that's why I'm gonna add some glitter at the eyelids. I haven't planned for this, to be honest, but it's glitter. Who can resist to glitter? I'm gonna use from Urban Decay Heavy Metal, and this is Soul Love, if I'm not mistaken. That's the name of the shade. I'm opening it. It's quite old, so I'm not sure that this is gonna work properly. I'm putting an amount on my hand to check it. I think it's gonna be fine. And for every case, I'm gonna add some extra glue at my eyelids, and then I will put the glitter. For my lips, I'm gonna use a combination of pencils. This is Snow White from MUA, and this one right here, which is a new to me, and this is Blue Skies. This is from Beauty Bay, brand Beauty Bay, and I saw it from Beauty Bay, of course, as they sell it exclusively. It's a very nice pastel blue, very good to the frosty feeling that I'm trying to give. So let's see. Oh my god, split second save. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. Obviously, today's word's gonna be snowman, and in Greek we say hionanthropos. Say it with me. Hionanthropos. Hionanthropos. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word hionanthropos. And that's it for today. I hope that this makeup made you as happy as I am right now. I hope that I brought some Christmas warmth into your hearts and you actually feel nice after watching this. If you wanna see more of me, you can always subscribe to my channel right here somewhere. and you can ring the bell in order to make sure that you will be among the first people who will receive a notification. Also, we have an Instagram account. This time it's gonna be right here, not there, or wherever else. It's here. It's Catlady Antigoni, and I'm waiting for you to come and visit me there as well for more photos and other concepts and some inside stories, and you will find out if you follow anyway. Again, thank you so much for being here with me today. See you tomorrow. Until then, bye bye!